Hello, my name is Darlene Griffiths, and this is my introduction video for AEP 858 Data Analysis and Assessment. Just some personal information about myself. I'm a wife. I'm the mother of two boys, one who's a freshman and one who's a third grader. I grew up in a farm in Oklahoma, and I live on a farm here in Kansas. I'm an Oklahoma native, and I've been living in Kansas since 1998. Some information about my work environment. I've been teaching students for 20 years now. I work at Harrington High School. It's a small 2A school smack dab in the middle of Kansas. It used to be a bit larger. It was a 3A school when I first started teaching there, but the population has moved elsewhere and we are down to a 2A school. We have a wide range of learning needs at Harrington. We have lots of students with IEPs. And then we have students at the other end of the spectrum who are scoring 34s on their ACTs. So it is a wide range of learning needs. We have a mobile population. We have lots of families who will live in town until the bills catch up with them and then they'll move. 64% of our student body at the high school are on free or reduced lunches. The faculty at Harrington is composed of 15 teachers, 2 special ed teachers, 4 paras, 1 counselor that is shared between the middle school and the high school, and 1 principal that is also shared between the middle school and high school. All of the faculty come from similar backgrounds. There is not a lot of diversity in our faculty. Critical reflection. We just do not use the data like we need to. We give tests, but we don't know how to use the data after we've given the test. We don't know what to do with those results, where to look for them, how to apply them. We don't know. Many moons ago when we were doing QPA, we looked at the data to check for growth, but since QPA went by the wayside, we have just been kind of in limbo. We haven't been doing anything with the data. The only normed test that we give is the MAP test, and we give that in the fall and then again in the spring to show growth from fall to spring. Honestly, I'm not sure that we're even collecting the correct data for KISA and for what we need to be doing. For my own instructional practices, I use informal data a lot of times, question and answer during class to check for understanding. I give periodic quizzes throughout the chapter to check on progress to make sure everybody's on track as far as what they need to know from this to move on to that. Reteach is necessary. If I notice that there's a big group that we just didn't quite get that section, we're going to go back over it. We're going to do some more work with it until we understand it. And then lastly, chapter tests to monitor their growth and understanding. So why be data-driven? Well, one of the main reasons in Kansas is KISA. All of our decisions need to be data-driven to improve instruction, which in turn improves learning. My plan, I hope, as I go through this course, I want to be able to apply the information that we learn in the lessons to my own classroom data to improve student success in my own room. And I realize that if I practice and I use the data and I practice what I've been taught, I'm more likely to remember it. And then hopefully in the future when I become a principal, I can lead my staff in helping them make data-driven decisions that will affect students in a positive way. So for my plan, I just want to practice, practice, practice. I want to learn how to do this. I want to learn what data I'm looking for, how to put the data together to make decisions. I look forward to interacting with each of you, and I wish you luck this semester. Thank you.